In this video, I will show you the fastest way to make AI videos that look cinematic, professional, and ready to post using Higgsfield AI. First, open the website higgsfield.ai. If you want to check the pricing, click on the pricing link in the top right corner. You can choose to pay monthly or annually. If you select the annual plan, you can get up to 50% discount. Depending on the plan you choose, you will receive different amounts of credit and access to various models and features. Now, let's go back to the previous page by clicking the logo or the Explore link. Next, click Sign up if you are new to the website, or click Login if you already have an account. You can choose any sign-in option. I will select Google to sign in. Once you are logged in, hover over your profile to see the available credits you can use to generate images or videos. On the home page, you will see lots of effects you can use to create videos or images. Let's click any one of them and try generating our own. Here's the preview of how the final video might look. So click Generate. Here, you will see a quick guide on how to generate a video. First, add the image and choose a preset to start. Next, set the start frame and the end frame. You can also add a prompt to describe the scene. Then select the model, video duration, and a resolution. Finally, click Generate. This might take a little time, so let's wait for it to finish. The video has now been generated, so let's play it. This looks really great. If you hover over the video and click the three dots, you can open to see more details about the video, regenerate, like, share, publish, or even download it to your computer. Now, hover over the video and you will see many features and models available to create videos. Let's try generating some videos using these options. First, we'll try the Cinema Studio. Here are some sample features it can generate for us. It can create both images and videos, depending on what you choose. Next, we can choose the camera movement. If you hover over an option, you will see the preview of the movement. Let's pick any one. Then we can set the aspect ratio, video duration, and choose whether to turn audio or slow motion on or off. We can also add the prompt to describe the scene and set the start and end frames. Once happy, click Generate. The video is now ready. So hover over to see the preview. Once again, hover over the video. This time, let's try Lip Sync Studio. There's a quick guide on how to use them. So first, upload the image. Then add the text you want the character to say. You can also add a prompt if you like. You can choose the model, video duration, and resolution. Once happy, click Generate. The video is now ready, so let's play it. Finally, let's generate one last video. This time, we will use UGC Factory. You can choose any template to begin. Let's assume we are trying to sell a product, so click Selling. Click Next. Now choose the images. Then click Combine Image. Let's wait while the images are generated. Choose any image you'd like to use. Then describe the action. And add the text that the character will say. You can change the audio if you want, or simply leave everything to auto. Add any background sound if you want, then click Generate. The video is now ready, so let's play it. This looks really great. Besides generating videos, Higgsfield AI offers many more features. You can generate images with a wide range of models and effects to choose from. You can also do the editing work, experiment with characters using features like face swap and character swap, edit the image using in-painting, and you can use the Assist chatbot for help. There is also an app section where you can apply various AI effects. You can explore the community to see images and videos created by other users. And finally, to view everything you have created, click on the Asset Library.